All right, so what we're going to do today is use partial quotients to help us find the answer to our division problems. We're going to be working on, the first problem we're going to be working on is 417 divided by 8. And when I'm using the partial quotient strategy, I want to begin by listing out my multiples of 8. So I'm going to list them out over here. Do 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 5 equals 40. We'll do 8 times 10 equals 80. Just some quick facts that I should already know or that I can figure out really quickly in order to help me with this problem. So I do know, though, that I'm trying to get as close to the number 417 as I possibly can. So if I use, let's say, if I know that 8 times 5 is 40, then I know that 8 times 50 is equal to 400. 400 is pretty close to 417. So I'm going to take this piece of the multiplication problem right here. I'm going to draw a line down here. Take 8 times 50 and place it right there for right now, and put the 400 right below the 417. I'm going to subtract that away, and then I'm left with 17. Now I need to get as close to 17 as I possibly can. I can take a look over here and I see 16 right here. Okay, so 8 times 2 is 16. I'm going to put my 8 times 2 right here, and then I'm going to take my 16 and subtract it away. I'm left with one more. I can't make any groups of 8 out of what's left over, so that's going to be my remainder. I'm going to have a remainder of 1, but my answer is going to be the factors that I have right here, 50 plus 2, which equals 52. So 417 divided by 8 is 52 with a remainder of 1. So we can do another one really quick. If I have another problem, let's say 761 divided by 3. I can start out the same way. I want to list multiples of 3. So we can do 3 times 5 is 15. Let's see, 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 15 is 45. 761 is a pretty big number. So if I take, if I know 3 times 15 is 45, then I know that 3 times 150 is equal to 450. Because that's a really big number, I can chunk this up however I want. So I'm going to go ahead and use 450. I'm going to draw this line right here. To help me get started with this problem. So I'm going to write, since I'm using this problem, I'm going to write 3 times 150, and then I'm going to subtract away 450 from my dividend. Okay, I have 1 minus 0 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1, and 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, so now I have 311 left. If I can look over to my multiples and I can browse over them for a second. If I know that 3 times 10 is 30, and now I'm trying to get close to 311, then I know that 3 times, well actually I can even write it right here, 3 times 100 equals 300. Okay, and then I can go ahead and subtract 300 away from 311, which leaves me with 11. I know that 3 times 3 is 9. I can take 9 away from 10, and I'm left with 2. I can't make any more groups of 3 because I have 2 left, so my remainder is going to be 2. And my quotient is going to be these factors: 150 plus 100 plus 3. 150 plus 100 is 250, and then 250 plus 3 is 253. All right. I hope that makes sense. Bye.